Every 4 years, something strange happens to Bitcoin. It's silent. It's coded into the blockchain. And when it happens, it changes everything. In 2012, it made people millionaires. In 2016, it built the foundation for a bull market. In 2020, it ignited a crypto revolution. And now, it's happening again. In 2025, the next Bitcoin halving is coming. But this time, it's different. The world has changed. Governments are watching. Institutions are ready. And behind the scenes, something big is building. In this video, we'll uncover what the halving really is, why it has so much power, what the past tells us, what's different in 2025, and most importantly, how to prepare. This isn't just another hype video. This is Crypto Knowledge 05, and this is what no one is telling you about the 2025 halving. Part 1. Bitcoin halving. Explained simply, let's start with the basics. Bitcoin isn't printed by a bank. It's mined using computer power. Miners verify transactions and get rewarded in Bitcoin. But here's the twist. That reward gets cut in half every 4 years. That's the halving. So, in 2009, miners earned 50 BTC per block. In 2012, it dropped to 25 BTC. In 2016, it dropped to 12.5 BTC. In 2020, down to 6.25 BTC. In 2024, 3.125 BTC. And in 2025, that number is expected to fall again, due to the average block confirmation time slightly drifting. Why does this matter? Because every time Bitcoin's reward drops, its supply slows down, less new BTC enters the market, but demand, it keeps rising. That imbalance between supply and demand is what triggers the massive price increases after each halving. Part 2. Halving and price. The historical pattern, let's go deeper. 2012 halving. BTC price $12 1 year later. Over $1,000 ROI, nearly 100x. 2016 halving BTC price $650 next year. $19,000 ROI. 29x 2020 halving BTC $80 million 2021 $69,000 ROI. 8x. You can see the pattern. Price spikes after halving. Not before the biggest gains happen 12 to 18 months after the higher BTC's price before halving. The smaller the multiplier after. So what happens in 2025? Part 3. What's different this time? Unlike 2012 or 2016, 2025 is different. Institutional money, BlackRock, Fidelity, and other giants now own BTC. ETFs are live. Countries are adding Bitcoin to reserves. This is no longer just for retail investors. Supply is scarce, over 19.7 million BTC already mined. Only approximately 1.3 million BTC left forever. 60% plus of BTC hasn't moved in over a year. Holders aren't selling. Regulation is coming, good or bad. Regulation brings structure. Institutions prefer rules, and rules are coming. The halving in this climate, it changes the entire game. Scarcity plus demand equals explosion when miners get half as much BTC. But trillions in capital are chasing limited supply. You don't need hype. You need patience. Part 4. Why most people will still miss it even with all this knowledge. Most people will miss the opportunity. Why? Because they're waiting for dips that never come. They panic sell during volatility. They buy altcoins instead of BTC. They get greedy in bull runs and never exit. Crypto isn't about timing perfectly. It's about positioning early and letting time do the heavy lifting. Part 5. How to prepare for Bitcoin halving 2025. Step 1. Accumulate. Steadily start buying BTC monthly. Don't wait for the perfect price. Use dollar cost averaging. Buy small, buy consistently. Even $20 a week can add up if you start early. Step 2. Learn wallets, not just exchanges. Don't just keep your BTC on exchanges. Learn to use cold wallets, hardware wallets, and seed phrases. Control your keys. Control your coins. Step 3. Educate yourself. Understand Bitcoin's value. Capped supply, decentralization, deflationary design, security. The more you understand it, the less likely you'll panic sell. Step 4. Avoid altcoin distractions. Yes, altcoins pump, but they crash harder. If you're not an expert, stick to BTC plus E. BTC is the king of long-term compounding. Part 6. Warning. The noise will get louder as halving approaches. You'll see. Fake predictions. $1 million Bitcoin. Hype scams, FOMO from influencers, meme coin distractions block the noise. Build your thesis. Stick to your strategy. The market rewards the calm, consistent, and committed. Part 7. Global impact of halving in 2025. This halving won't just affect Bitcoin price. It could affect global finance. Inflation, hedging, dollar devaluation, sovereign wealth strategies, central bank. Digital currencies, responses, energy policies on mining. Bitcoin is no longer internet money. It's becoming a global digital reserve asset. Part 8. Psychological strategy. Mindset of millionaires. The people who win in halving cycles aren't lucky. They're patient, focused, disciplined, educated, emotionally neutral. They don't chase pumps. They buy when no one's looking. That's how millionaires are made in silence. Part 9. What you should do right now? Start DCA into BTC. Learn wallet security set, a long-term holding mindset. Avoid chasing altcoin trends. Follow macro news quietly. Understand the cycle, not just the price closing. The time is now. The next Bitcoin halving could be the last major opportunity to enter before Bitcoin becomes fully institutionalized. Every halving reduces supply. Every halving adds pressure. Every halving moves wealth from the impatient to the prepared. If you're watching this video, it's not by accident. It means you're early. It means you're thinking. It means you're ready to level up. But thinking isn't enough. You act. Now, welcome to the next cycle. 8. This is Crypto Knowledge 05, where real strategies create real freedom. Let's build it.